My name is Sandra Rosales and I live in Hacienda Heights, California. I found Treeium by doing my research on the internet. I called several companies, and when they came to do the appraisal of the work, I liked the way that it was explained to me and how clear and simple they explained what needed to take place, and that's really why I chose them. I had a kitchen redone, windows replaced, the floor replaced. I am very happy with everything that took place. My project manager is Benjamin, and he was wonderful. He's a veteran and I'm a veteran, so the minute he say I am a veteran, he had my heart and he explained everything fine, so I love working with him. It was very well organized. They were very clean. Every time they came to work, they cleaned before and after they left. I didn't have to do any cleaning up after they left, and I really like that. The only thing I didn't like, and it had nothing to do with the company, it was the wait to get the permits or the final okays from the city. I will definitely recommend Treeium to anyone.